In this video, I'll show you how to make some rustic charcuterie boards out of some beautiful red cedar. These are actually more like serving platters, and they're great for things like wedding receptions, big family get-togethers, and other such occasions. I made these boards completely from scratch, so the first step was to harvest and process some red cedar planks with my chainsaw mill. By the way, if chainsaw milling is something you're interested in, I did an entire video series on this topic some time ago, which you can check out here at this channel. The first step was to cut out the boards from the larger planks of cedar. Unfortunately, I don't have a large wood planer, so I used a routing sled to flatten out and plane the boards. Now this is also something that I made a past video about if you'd like to learn more. I recessed the inside of these boards like a big platter so that whatever went on top of them would stay put and not slide off while being moved around. To do so, I measured out the area to be recessed and then used my router with a straight edge as a guide to route out the inside perimeter of the boards. After getting the perimeter routed out, I went back to the sled and routed out the entire area. Next was the process of getting the boards cleaned up. I rounded off the corners of the boards, sanded down all the surfaces using a variety of sanding methods, and I also removed and sanded down the edges that were still covered in tree bark. I found a little bit of bug damage on some of the boards due to burrowing insects, so I patched up those spots with some wood filler and then sanded it all down. When the platters were all shaped and sanded, I gave them a very light coat of red cedar stain to bring out the color of the wood more dramatically. And finally, I gave all the platters a few coats of shellac, which is an ideal finish for wood products that you're going to be using for food, as shellac is food safe and hypoallergenic when it's dry. And there you have it, my friends. That's how you can make some rustic, country-style charcuterie boards and our serving platters out of some beautiful red cedar. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel.